What's up, guys? Raining today at Aquitaine. I'm gonna test out a theory. Google says bass are more active in a little bit of rain because they go after stuff falling off the runoff into the water. So we're gonna try out to see if that's actually true. And then one of the spots here got the micro Texas going on a weedless hook. Just like that. It's kind of falling apart, but you get the idea. This is the area where the water drop is. So I'm assuming that there will be fall off here. Food runoff that bass should maybe going nuts over. Find out. Oh, there's one. That's on. He's taking drag. Oh, jeez. Oh, he's big. It's too big for this rod. Come on, buddy. Oh my God. Oh, I can feel my line stretching. It's first cast. First cast, guys. This is unbelievable. I guess it's true. Oh. And that's not a bad sized fish. Holy jeez. Look at that. Nice. Let's go get him back in the water. All right, buddy. There you go. First cast.